Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new 1% sentiment stream. These are recorded and posted for every single Monday. Now, as far as this week for this sentiments, it is the week of June 1st, a brand new month. So happy June. But as far as our sentiments goes, we are going to be doing some Ethereum, some US30, and some XEU USD. Now, we'll do this in order backwards as far as how it's posted here. We'll start off with some XEU USD. Let's just jump right into it here. Let's start off with our daily chart. Now, XEU USD, we did say that it was approaching summer. So, a lot of these charts are going to see more illiquid movements, meaning we are going to see a lot more ranging behavior. So, as far as our current chart goes on XEU USD, that is exactly what we are seeing where we are at, is that ranging behavior that is showing up right here where price is just kind of sitting in the same exact zone, moving back and forth. Now, this doesn't mean it's necessarily quote unquote untradeable, but as far as what this would be, is instead our 4 hour is looking at an area where we can find a range to trade. Now, when you are looking to range trade as far as day trading goes, every single time you go to the charts, every single time you sit down, always look at your lower time frames and allow yourself to just take those lower time frame trades and take them to lower time frame areas of buy side or sell side liquidity. In this case, like for today as example, we did not move much coming into 9:30, but we had an area of imbalance at the time of entry for us to be able to take price into versus taking it all the way down to this low or all the way down to this low. That will allow us to take that low hanging fruit and instead focus on that range. So that was XEU USD. I do believe we are just sitting in this range of this low to this high right here. All we did was make that move up. We did make a small move down today as well. So Wednesday could be a reversal coming into these highs right here. And then Thursday, maybe a continuation for this full move that pushed to the upside for XEU USD. Now, let's move into our next chart here. Let's start with some US30. Now, US30 and Nas, very bullish, right? We have just seen upside, upside, upside. It created that new range, moved all the way back down, created that new range, broke structure to the upside. Now we are at all time highs and just continuing. Whenever you are trading all time highs, this is a great spot to show you a tip for that as well. Is understanding again the same exact range type of trading where you're only looking at your most previous high or low and you're using that to create your range and using your range to see if you are in premium or discount, and then using that to find your areas of supply and demand, all on lower time frames, and then taking it to that lower time frame area of buy side or sell side liquidity. Now, in this case, we are still very bullish for US30. Every single thing is bullish as far as our time frames go, from higher time frames to lower time frames. So, still looking for upside into this high until disproven. Now, if we do not take this high out, we start to break structure to the downside, possibility to take out some of these lows, come back into an area of imbalance. Now, personally, I would love to see that for some new entries on this range that we have created for US30. Very beautiful. Will continue upside. Now, one that has not been continuing upside, sad to see, but is ETH down 5% today. All crypto not looking very well at all. It's been very illiquid. Myself personally have not been creating crypto. I do still believe in it. I would love to see crypto all the way back here and continuing farther than that. But this chart just looks like a huge distribution, right? The only issue is the trust, right, in crypto and what it was meant for. Um, that independence through finances, it just turned into stocks again, and then crypto is now just looking very illiquid, I believe, overall. So until we see again some type of movement on the upside on the weekly charts and above, no longs on crypto, no more crypto for myself personally. I'm just looking for some equity, definitely shorts though. Definitely short. So if you are still trading crypto, I will possibly be looking at some shorts on Ethereum here. I mean, these lows look beautiful, but again, until we get that weekly or daily structure movement to the upside to where we're breaking structure and continuing to hold that instead of just creating these redistributions, then I'm not looking for price to move to the upside personally. So as far as that is said, that is our weekly sentiments for the week. We will be trading XEU USD this week. So sitting in that range, but will be live trading in the 1% Discord. So if you are watching this on YouTube, definitely check us out at discord.gg/leverage. And you can see where we are live trading and you can see where everybody is showing up as well. So again, thanks to everybody that popped out today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow on our stream. We will be trading Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. Tuesday was iffy this week. We didn't take any trades, but we'll be taking Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So thanks to everybody that showed up today. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, and I will catch you all tomorrow.